Hello everyone, and welcome back to our Pen Test Plus course. In today's lesson, we'll explore several key attack types, including default credentials, on-path attacks, certificate services exploitation, misconfigured services exploitation, virtual local area network VLAN hopping, and more. Let's begin with default credentials. Default credentials refer to the preset usernames and passwords that come with many devices and applications. Manufacturers often use default credentials to simplify initial setup, but these can pose significant security risks if not changed. Next, we move to on-path attacks. On-path attacks, also known as man-in-the-middle attacks, involve intercepting and potentially altering the communication between two parties without their knowledge. Attackers position themselves between the victim and the intended recipient, allowing them to eavesdrop, modify, or inject malicious data into the communication stream. Moving forward, let's discuss certificate services exploitation. Certificate services exploitation involves targeting the mechanisms that issue and manage digital certificates within an organization. Digital certificates are essential for establishing secure communications and verifying the identities of users and devices. Next is misconfigured services exploitation. Misconfigured services exploitation targets services that are improperly configured, leaving them vulnerable to attacks. Misconfigurations can occur due to default settings, incorrect permissions, or lack of updates, making services an easy target for attackers. Common examples include open ports, exposed administrative interfaces, and unsecured databases. Now, let's explore virtual local area network, VLAN hopping. VLAN hopping is an attack technique that allows an attacker to bypass VLAN segmentation and access resources on different VLANs. VLANs are used to segregate network traffic, enhancing security and performance. However, vulnerabilities in VLAN configurations can be exploited to gain unauthorized access to other VLANs. Moving on to multi-homed hosts. Multi-homed hosts are devices connected to multiple networks simultaneously, often serving as gateways or bridges. While multi-homing can enhance network resilience and performance, it also introduces potential security risks. Attackers may exploit the multiple network connections to access sensitive information or penetrate deeper into the network. Finally, we discuss relay attacks. Relay attacks involve intercepting and forwarding communications between two parties to deceive them into believing they are directly communicating with each other. This type of attack is commonly associated with authentication systems, where the attacker relays authentication credentials from the victim to gain unauthorized access. In summary, when performing network attacks, selecting the appropriate tools and understanding the underlying attack mechanisms is crucial for successful exploitation and accurate vulnerability assessment. Thank you for joining us today, and see you next time.